Hey, sweet friends, welcome back to Sweet Ascent, where we take your baking skills to new heights. Today, we're making classic homemade cupcakes from scratch, fluffy, moist, and absolutely delicious. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned baker, these cupcakes are foolproof. Let's get started. Ingredients and prep. First, let's go over what you'll need. For about 12 cupcakes, grab 1½ cups, 190 grams, all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup, 115 grams, unsalted butter, softened, 3/4 cup, 150 grams, granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1/2 cup, 120 milliliters, whole milk. Pro tip: have your ingredients at room temperature for a smoother batter. Making the batter. Now, let's make our batter. Start by whisking together the flour, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. Set that aside. In a large mixing bowl, beat the butter and sugar until light and fluffy, about 2-3 minutes. This step is key for soft cupcakes. Next, add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each. Then, stir in the vanilla extract for that warm, sweet flavor. Now, alternate adding the dry ingredients and milk, starting and ending with the dry mix. This keeps the batter light and airy. Baking: line your muffin tin with cupcake liners and fill each about 2/3 full. Don't overfill, or they'll spill over. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 18-20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. While they bake, let's talk frosting. Frosting options: you can top these with classic buttercream, cream cheese frosting, or even a simple dusting of powdered sugar. If you want my go-to vanilla buttercream recipe, check the description below. Decorating and final touch: once your cupcakes are fully cooled, it's time for the fun part, decorating. Pipe on your frosting, add sprinkles or drizzle with chocolate. Get creative. And there you have it, perfect homemade cupcakes, made from scratch with love. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a delicious Sweet Ascent tutorial. Drop a comment below with your favorite cupcake flavor. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy baking!